Hi, I am Ziyao. Now I will demonstrate part 1. As we can see, the yellow color is the D, represent the D, and the red color wire is represent the clock. Now I will show when D is 1. As we can see, the bulb doesn't light up. Now the clock will be 1, and we can see the bulb will light up. Now the D will be 0. The bulb also light up. Now the clock will be 1. The bulb doesn't light up. As we can see, when D is 1, and clock is also 1, the bulb will light up.
Lab 2, and we are required to build this circuit. And you can see we have completed the circuit here. And here we have these two diagrams, and from this diagram we came up with the input, assuming that it's the D starts with 1, because D is the inverse of the output Q. So assuming D is 1, since it's inverse of the inverse of Q, Q would be 0 instead. So at every rising edge, the values will be evaluated again. So when D is 0, the rising edge, it will go, then Q will become 1. Every time it changes. So these two are actually inverses of one another. And we expected the frequency of this wave to be 250 kilohertz. That's because the original clock wave is 500 kilohertz. And as you can see here, it has two what's it called? It goes through two cycles, but Q only goes through one cycle at the same time period. That's why it's half of 500 kilohertz, which is 250 kilohertz. And as you can see from the oscilloscope, channel 1 being the clock input and channel 2 being the output. So for channel 1, we have 500 kilohertz as expected, and for channel 2, 250 kilohertz as we predicted. So yeah, that's correct. Thank you.
Now I am doing part 3. The equation P is equal to Q1 naught plus Q2 naught, and using De Morgan theorem, the final equation will be Q1 multiplied Q2 naught. It is a NAND gate, and the output is count for 1 to 6, and repeat again 1 to 6. 6 is it will repeat to the 1, and 1 will be count from 6. Now I will demonstrate. Now it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I will going to show you the run and stop button for part 3. When I press the switch button, it will run from 1 until 6. When I release the button, it will stop at 6. When I press it again, the switch button, it will start from 1 until 6. That's all. Hi, I am Ziyao. Now I will demonstrate part 4. This is our answer, and this is KMAT. The final answer is A equal to Q0, B equal to Q2 and Q1, C equal to Q2, D equal to Q1 plus Q2, and this is our graph. Now I will demonstrate the dice work. This 1, this 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ready? Now I will demonstrate part 5. Combine the circuit of part 3 and 4 to produce an electronic die. Now I will show 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I will show the part 3 clock modular. Now I will increase the frequency. if I increase the frequency, the die also will increase the changing speed. That's all.